How to compete with friends in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device. To compete with friends, start by tapping the multiplayer friends icon located beside the play button on the main menu. Next, make sure you are connected to your account either through Google Play or your game ID. This ensures your friends list is synced and allows you to invite or join friends easily. In the friends section, you will see a source field. Enter your friend's ID or player name and hit the source button. Your friend will appear in the list. Then tap the request button to send the friend request. Once your friend accepts, invite them to join your session. You can have up to 4 players, then hit the play button to start the match. During races or missions with friends, focus on using your character's abilities, boost and power-ups strategically to outperform them. Winning these matches rewards you with rings, XP and sometimes exclusive event reward. Now you know how to compete with friends in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.